Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore a new English word each day to help you expand your vocabulary. I'm Alex, your host, and today's word is one that's especially useful for travelers and those curious about different cultures. Our word of the day is abroad. Abroad is an A2 level adverb that means in or to a foreign country. When we say abroad, we're talking about being outside of one's own country. For instance, if someone says, she's studying abroad this semester, it means she's studying in a country different from her own. Abroad can also refer to travel in general, as in, I love spending my summers abroad. Now, let's look at some words similar to abroad. Words like overseas or out of the country are good synonyms. For example, you might say, he's working overseas for a year, or they went out of the country for the holidays. Each of these captures the idea of being in another country. On the flip side, some antonyms for abroad are domestically or at home, which refer to staying within one's own country. For instance, she chose to stay domestically for her studies, or they spent their summer at home instead of traveling. In everyday life, you'll often hear abroad used to describe experiences, studies, work, or vacations outside of one's home country. Think of expressions like living abroad or going abroad for a job opportunity. Here's a sentence for you. After graduation, he plans to travel abroad and explore Europe for a few months. Or, many students take the opportunity to study abroad to experience different cultures firsthand. To wrap up, today we talked about the word abroad, meaning in or to a foreign country. We explored some similar words like overseas and out of the country, as well as opposites like domestically and at home. Thanks for tuning in, and if you're enjoying the podcast, make sure to subscribe and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. I'd love for you to try using abroad in your own sentence and share in the comments. See you next time on Hello Word.